doing? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna take you through a tutorial on how to achieve the perfect puff on fussy hair. So I hope you love it, subscribe and enjoy. I just unraveled my braid outs for this and I used the Kenyan coconut oil to add some sheen to my hair. Next, you're gonna take an afro comb or any comb you have and fluff your hair. Don't comb, fluff. And remember to be quite gentle with your hair. Fluffing makes a huge difference if you want a dense, puffy puff. So for the next step, you're gonna take a hairbrush, but I have a scratcher for now, so that's what you're gonna use. And gently brush your hair gently. Next, just make sure your hair is okay. Then take some gel to minimize flyaways. A little bit of gel, not too much. And at the tip of your hair, or at the roots. Yeah, at the roots of your hair. Just to make sure we have a clean, sleek puff. Yeah, so take your lace, preferably black, or a hair tie, any, your choice. As long as it has a good grip on your hair. So you're gonna take the lace start at the front, then secure a knot at the back, so that it makes it easy when you're pulling it up. Make sure you have the right position, and the more you bring your puff forward, the more dense it will look. Make sure it's secure, very secure. Then tie the last knot at the front. Take your bobby pin and secure your lace or your hair tie. Remember, you don't want it to be visible. You're the only one who's supposed to know you have a lace in your hair. So next you're going to take your gel and make sure the edges are laid. So take your gel, baby hairs, and swoosh Yeah, make that swoosh pattern. Period. We're done with the edges. So take your silk scarf or any scarf that you have, making sure our edges are completely laid. Then take your comb, any comb you have, and just even out your puff. You don't want the front looking more big than the back, so just even it out. Yeah. That's on period. That's on period. Now, if you wanna be extra, I'm so confused. So if you wanna be extra, just take some pins. I'll go with the blue because it matches my blouse, and choose the perfect angle. Is it angle? Choose the perfect side of your face and place the pins. And we're done, and that's on period. So I really hope you loved it. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Yeah. Peace out.